You sit at your desk. The work is right in front of you. You know exactly what you need to do to change your life, but you physically cannot start. Instead, you pick up your phone. You scroll for 2 hours. You hate yourself for it. You think you lack willpower. You think you are lazy. You are wrong. Your biology is hijacked. Your dopamine system is rotting from the inside. In the next minutes, you will receive a clinical protocol. I will show you exactly how to rewire your brain to enjoy discipline. You will learn the biological mechanism behind your laziness, the artificial traps destroying your focus, and the exact step-by-step dopamine detox required to fix it. Pause and write this down now. Your brain is a machine. You are either the operator or you are being played. Let's calibrate the system. People completely misunderstand dopamine. You think it is the pleasure chemical. It is not. It is the desire chemical. It is the neurotransmitter responsible for motivation, drive, and the pursuit of goals. A recent 2024 study from Stanford University confirmed that dopamine spikes in anticipation of a reward, not during the reward itself. It is the fuel that makes an animal hunt. But here is the biological flaw. Your brain evolved in an environment of scarcity. It is designed to seek high-calorie food, social validation, and safety because thousands of years ago, those things kept you alive. Today, you live in an environment of extreme abundance. You carry a supercomputer in your pocket that delivers infinite social validation. You have access to hyperpalatable food on demand. Your primitive brain cannot tell the difference between achieving a real-life goal and winning a video game. Your reward system is completely unregulated. When you flood your brain with cheap, unearned dopamine from scrolling, gaming, and junk food, your baseline crashes. This is called receptor downregulation. Your brain reduces its dopamine receptors to protect itself from the massive surge. The result? Normal life becomes agonizing. Reading a book feels unbearable. Working out feels like torture. Building a business feels impossible. Why would your brain spend massive amounts of energy doing hard work when it can get a stronger dopamine hit by simply swiping a screen? It won't. You have trained your mind to expect a massive chemical reward for zero effort. You are operating in a constant state of dopamine debt. You feel brain fog. You feel confused. You have zero clarity. To fix this, you must engineer a hard reset. This is the dopamine detox protocol. Phase 1 is intentional boredom. You must starve the lower animal brain. When you wake up, do not touch your phone. No music. No screens. You must create a state of absolute zero stimulation. You sit in silence. You stare at a wall. You let your brain experience true, uncomfortable boredom. Why? Because right now, your brain compares the effort of deep work to the extreme high of social media. Work will always lose that battle. But if you compare deep work to staring at a blank wall, suddenly doing the work feels highly stimulating. You lower the baseline so deeply that anything productive feels like a massive reward. Willpower is a myth. Environment is everything. If your phone is on your desk buzzing every 3 minutes, you will fail. You must ruthlessly eliminate physical triggers. Make distractions impossible to access. Delete the apps. Put the phone in another room. Buy a physical lockbox if you have to. Make friction your weapon. If you make bad habits extremely difficult to start, your brain will reject them to save energy. If you make good habits effortless to start, your brain will adopt them. This is basic human performance engineering. You rebuild from the ground up. You start with low dopamine habits, walking, cleaning your workspace, stretching. Then, you introduce medium dopamine tasks, reading, studying, deep work. You push all highly stimulating activities to the very end of the day. You never consume cheap dopamine before 5 p.m. You must train your brain to understand that the reward only comes after the effort. Hard work becomes the trigger. When you do this consistently, a biological shift occurs. You stop chasing fake pleasure. You start enjoying the friction. You fall in love with the process because the process itself becomes the dopamine hit. You become immune to distraction. You have 2 versions of yourself right now. The current version, paralyzed by cheap stimulation, slowly wasting their potential. And the optimized version, the one who controls their biology, commands their focus, and executes flawlessly. The choice is purely structural. Control your dopamine, or let the algorithm control you. If you are serious about upgrading your biology and mastering human performance, subscribe to the channel. Optimize your biology. See you in the next protocol.